What's up, guys? Real quick, we're going to talk about the AUXITO LED lights. These are headlight bulbs. They sent these over and asked us to make a video on them and do a review, install them, see what we think about them. If y'all don't know, Sammy done drove to LS Fest and all over the place. His headlights ain't worth the shit. We had them send over some H11s for his truck specifically. These are the low beam bulbs for his trucks. So real quick, we're going to do a walkthrough. We're going to pop these things in. Obviously, it's daylight, so we're not going to be able to get any videos of them right now. But we're going to get some videos of these things after dark and see what they look like going down the road. We will have a referral link in the description if you're looking to pick up a set of LEDs. They have a ton of different sizes and variations of replacement bulbs. The 9006s, 9007s, 4s, 5s, 3s, H16s, H10s, whatever you might need. Let's check these things out. See if this might be our new supplier for our headlight bulbs and all of our vehicles in our camp. Luckily, these trucks are pretty simple. He's going to go in right here. You might have a factory air box that you might have to remove to be able to get your arm back in there. But he's going to go back in there and pop out that low beam bulb. Right. Push it in, turn it right, he said. We'll come up, disconnect the plug.
Just like that.
Just like that. Get that old junk out of there. Let's compare that new bulb to the old bulb. Let's open these things up, see what we got here. Yep, don't forget your gloves now.
We got product manual.
Got your, yep. Got some zip ties to tie them back, a little Allen head.
Got some gloves so you don't touch the bulbs.
That's right, I see his fingers. That's why they sent us gloves. And those look good. Let's check one out. See what we got here.
Oh, they got resistors built in. It's pretty high tech. You can tell these are cheap ones. They ain't even got resistors in them.
Oh yeah, your old one?
Those got fans in them.
Yep, this is our new bulb right here. There's our old bulb. Probably tell why this thing didn't live very long. But yeah, these look good. Let's pop one in there. Yep. Match the connectors. Make sure the connectors are the same. That's it.
Look the same.
Sweet. Let's check these things out. You're gonna glove up over here. See if the glove fits. Glove fit.
See if we can get in here without hurting anything.
He just going in there and reaching around, performing the old
push in and turn.
Push in and turn. He's gonna plug it up.
Come back up with the connector. Boom.
Let's test that thing. See what it looks like against your other stock one. Yeah, you ain't even got one on that side.
It's out. Not really very good picture.
Oh my gosh.
Let there be lights. Like I said, Sammy been riding around like this, y'all. He had one fog light. He done went to Kentucky and drove through the holler. You're gonna be able to see now. All right, now you're gonna swap this other one out. You gotta go in over here behind the wind washer. Oh, and nitrous. What?
We might not have enough room. Get up in here.
Got his nitrous kit over here. Yeah. That ain't for show though.
There we go.
Check him out. He reached around there and got it.
There we go. Same thing.
Same junk light bulb. Y'all look at his fog light. This is his driver fog light. That's why he didn't have no driver fog light working. Alright, driver side in. Woo!
Let there be light.
He got two headlights. Boy, we got some headlights now. Now we gotta see what they look like after dark. Well, that's how you change the headlight bulbs on a 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. Yeah, it doesn't take long in these trucks. But we'll see what they look like after dark. Alright guys, if you're looking for a good set of headlight bulbs, head over to AUXITO.com, enter your vehicle information, pick the ones that you need, and enter the coupon code 727LED to get 15% off. I'm also going to drop a link in the description if you purchase from that link directly. we get a 10% commission on that. So we greatly appreciate that for anybody that wants to go that route. That's going to wrap it up for this episode. We're going to be grabbing some more of these and shoving them in different vehicles laying around and see what they look like in out of different headlight assemblies and see how long they last. We're going to put them to the test. If you guys pick up a set, do the same thing. Let us know in the comments how you like your bulbs and how the fitment was and how they're working for you. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And remember, if you're not following us, grab that button.